Guys, Nick with Quality Fleet. Good morning. We're here at Northern Construction with a 922 rail machine. Just put the tilt rotator back on. There was a problem in the tilt rotator. The electrical rotation joint, basically, for lack of a better word, had a failure, so it would fault out midway through rotation. But it's all set now. As you can see here, so previously what would happen is it would get to a certain point in the rotation and then it would glitch out and stop moving, then start again. But we're all set now. Look, no lights on.